Hi, I'm Selena, a teacher with 20 years of experience. This problem set is designed to support your preparation for the FTCE Health K-12 019 exam. The focus is on the subtopic, Knowledge of Interpersonal Health. These questions will help you understand how to teach students about communication skills, relationships, and emotional well-being. Key areas for promoting healthy interactions both inside and outside of the classroom. Let's dive in. Blank happens when role demands from different statuses conflict with each other and cause stress. A. Role stress. B. Role conflict. C. Role strain. Or D. Role exit. A. Role stress is incorrect. It's too general, doesn't specifically refer to conflicting roles from different statuses. C. Role strain. This is incorrect. This is stress from conflicting demands within the same role, not between different roles. D. Role exit. This is incorrect. This means leaving a role altogether. The correct answer is B. Role conflict. We can have many statuses in life. When role demands from these statuses conflict with each other, role conflict happens. As a health teacher, you want to educate your students about the importance of maintaining mental health. Which of the following community resources would be the most effective to include in your lesson? A. Mental health clinic. B. Local gym. C. Food bank. Or D. Public library. B. Local gym is incorrect. Good for physical health, but doesn't directly provide mental health services. C. Food bank is incorrect. This helps with nutrition and basic needs. D. Public library is incorrect. This offers information, but not professional help or services for mental health. The correct answer is A. A mental health clinic is the most effective community resource to include in a lesson about maintaining mental health. This is because such clinics provide professional mental health services, including counseling and therapy, that can support and assist in healthy social development. How can changes in relationship status impact interpersonal health? A. Changes in relationship status only affect physical health, not interpersonal health. B. Changes in relationship status have no effect on interpersonal health. C. Breakups or divorces can cause emotional distress affecting interpersonal health. Or D. Entering a new relationship always improves interpersonal health. A. Changes in relationship status only affect physical health, not interpersonal health, is incorrect. This is incorrect because relationship changes directly impact emotions and communication, which are key parts of interpersonal health. B. Changes in relationship status have no effect on interpersonal health. This is incorrect because events like breakups or divorces often change how people relate to others, affecting their social and emotional well-being. D. Entering a new relationship always improves interpersonal health. This is incorrect because it's not always true. New relationships can be stressful or unhealthy, so this option overgeneralizes. The correct answer is C. Breakups or divorces can cause emotional distress, affecting interpersonal health. This is because the end of a relationship can lead to feelings of sadness, loss, and stress, which can negatively affect interpersonal relationships and overall interpersonal health. Which of the following shows effective learning? A. Criticizing the speaker when a person feels that the information is inaccurate. B. Focusing only on the speaker. C. Giving a personal opinion about the topic. Or D. Interrupting the speaker when an important question arises. A. Criticizing the speaker is incorrect. This is not effective listening. It shuts down communication and shows a lack of respect. C. Giving a personal opinion about the topic is incorrect. Sharing opinions can be part of discussion, but doing so while someone is speaking distracts from fully understanding their message. D. Interrupting the speaker when an important question arises is incorrect. Interrupting disrupts the speaker's flow and shows you are not fully listening. Good listeners wait for the right moment to ask questions. The correct answer is B, focusing only on the speaker. Effective listening involves listening attentively and understanding what the speaker is saying. An effective listener focuses only on the speaker and avoids interrupting the speaker. Thanks for joining me today while we covered practice questions for the FTCE Health K-12 019 exam. For more practice, check out our FTCE Health K-12 019 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our FTCE Health K-12 test prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.